Hello dear students, in today's class I start you the next module for you, that is lists, dictionaries, tuples, regular expressions. Hello my dear mechanical engineering students, don't worry, I complete the syllabus for you. I have been teaching all the topics so slowly to you because you can understand and you can learn it, and after the completion of an engineering course you can get the jobs in the field of IT also. That's I am putting the efforts. Please, I am requesting you to please follow me and reply to my lecture videos also. I complete this module so early. Please don't worry. Okay? Thank you. In today's class, we discuss about the lists. In the beginning of this semester, little bit I told you about the lists, dictionaries, tuples also. But we discuss about all these three and the last one in detail. Definitely you find questions on lists, definitely one or two questions. On dictionary 1 or 2 questions, on tuples 1 or 2 questions, on regular expressions 1 or 2 questions. Minimum 4 questions we get from this module, no doubt at all. First we discuss about the lists. What is lists? Can you tell me? How many points you tell, those many marks you get. I ask somebody, dear student, can you please stand up and tell me what is lists in Python? Yes, your answer is right. Lists is one of the data types, sir. Yeah, it is right. Lists is one of the data type. Can you tell me yourselves? Sir, list is a data structure, sir. Yeah, both the answers are correct. Lists is a data type or lists is a data structure. Both the answers are correct. Data structure is also called as data type is also called as data structure. Lists is also a data type or data structure available in Python. What is list? It is a sequence of data elements. See, apple, mango, grapes, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January. This is what the list. While working with a computer system, sometimes you have to store the list of data elements that might be of similar type or dissimilar type. That is possible by this data structure or this data type. Okay. List. Second point. List is a sequence of data elements of the same or dissimilar type of data. Lists contain sequence of data elements. All these are separated by comma and compulsory we use square brackets. See how many points I told you about the lists. List is versatile data type or data structure. First point, sequence of data elements of the same or dissimilar type. Second point, sequence of data elements separated by comma within square brackets. Third point. Fourth point, this is ordered collection of data elements and are changeable. You can change it. See here how many points you are able to write in examination now. You can write 4 points. Oh nice, you get very good marks. Give examples also. See one simple example. Fruits, this is the list variable. Apple, mango, grapes. I want to get the apple. Fruits of 0. Fruits of 1 is the mango. Fruits of 2 is the grapes. How to get the contents of that list? We use the index value like 0 and 2. How to define the lists? What is the syntax? List variable equals to square bracket is must, then list of data elements separated by comma. Write the syntax like this and give the examples like this. You get very good marks. Why can't you give more examples? Sure. See, 4 examples you can give. Not 4, more than 4 also. List underscore A 1 2 3 4 5. Print list underscore A 1 2 3 4 5. It is having only numbers. See this list, it is having only character constants A, B, C, D, E in single quotes. Print it, we get the back. It is having 2 strings. Good going. Yeah, we get the back. First one is the number, second one is the character, third one is the string. Print it, we get it. See, different types of lists I have shown for you. Very good. Silence is the sleep that nourishes wisdom. Okay, that's why you need to be silent. Okay, while doing the prayer, we'll keep silence. In the classroom also we need to keep silence. While sleeping also we need to be silent. Silence gives us success. Silence is the best reply to a fool. Oh my god. Okay, silence please. Thank you. I continue. Next, access values in lists using index values. Just only I told you how to get the contents of the list by using the list variable name with the index value. By default, each data element in list is associated with the index value. We can use these index values to access the data element. That is as follows. Fruits, apple, mango, grapes. 0 is associated to apple, mango for 1, grapes for 2, it is from start to end. Even you can access the data elements from end to start also. For that purpose we use negative index values, -1, -2, -3. 1 points to mango, -2 also points to mango. Fruits 0, apple. Fruits 1, mango. Fruits 2, grapes. Fruits -1, grapes. Fruits -2, mango. Fruits -3, apple. This is how to get the contents of a list. What is the syntax? List variable in square bracket index. One more is there. You can specify three things: start index, stop index, addition of how much every time. There is a step value. See this example, you understand many things. Months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. I want to get the first one, months of 0. I want to get the last one. I want to get the last one. What I do? I go for months of 11. But I want to get 0 to 12. But step value is 2. By default that is 1. Step value is 2. Alternative we get January, no February, March, no April, May, no June, July, no August, September, no October, November, no December. Alternatively we are trying to access the contents of that list. See this example, 0 starts from the first one, reaches the last one, but 3. Okay, I have typed wrong, no? It must be 11. Okay, sorry. This is up to, this is not 12, this must be 11, 0 to 11. Okay, thank you. Next, 3, January, no February, March, April, not May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Our list is over. Like this you can access the contents of the list. In the next lecture video, I explain you some more things related to lists. If you get a question on list, explain minimum this much, you get very good marks in examination. Last quote for you: a meaningful silence is always better than meaningless words also. That's why please keep silence. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.